Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I did this really nice warm Valentine's Day look using the Modern Renaissance, I know this is just the box, palette. So it's just really nice. I think it came out really cute. I am gonna be posting this on my new Instagram that's strictly for my makeup. So be sure you guys follow me that. I'll leave the name down in the description. And if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm going to be using the Modern Renaissance palette today. So excited to use it. It's actually my sister's and I'm borrowing it and she just got it. So let me test out this for you, girl. Okay, so the first color I'm going to be taking is Raw Sienna. Yeah, Raw Sienna. And I'm going to be taking a fluffy brush like this. And I'm just going to be putting this all over my crease as a transition color. Oh my god, that's super pigmented already. Just like that. Look at this pigment. Awesome. So I'm gonna go on with my Farah brush. Farah. I don't know. This is a blending brush. It's a 35E. I got it in my Ipsy bag, so I'm not really sure how to pronounce it. But I'm gonna take this and blend out that transition color a little bit more. And I already did my foundation and brows, as you guys can probably tell. So now I'm gonna go in with either one of these brushes. I'm not too sure. I got this little brush set. Let me show you guys. I think I'm missing like a few more brushes, but I got this nice brush set. Excuse the swatches on my hand. From Shein. They were $1, I think. $4, $1, I don't know. I think it was like a 12-pack or 10-pack, but they are awesome. They're like really tiny. They look really big on the picture, but they're tiny, but they work amazing. So I'm gonna probably take this little creaser brush, blending majigger, I don't know, and I think I'm gonna take red ochre, this color right here, and I'm gonna put that in my crease and on the outer V of my eye. And I like this brush because you can like get really in your crease and not worry about it blending on top of the other color like a lot. If that made any sense, sorry. Is that dark enough? A little bit darker. Let's blend it out first, and then we're gonna go in. So I'm gonna take this little smaller blending brush that I think I used pink on it, I'm not too sure, and I'm just going to blend it out. I'm gonna actually take the blending brush I used to put that Raw Sienna in there. Oh girl, dude, these pigments are amazing. Oh my god. Girl, I don't think we need any more because I think that's pretty good. So I'm gonna go in back with that Raw Sienna, and I'm gonna go on top up here and kind of make everything blended. Okay, so now that I finished both eyes, I'm gonna go in with my concealer, and I'm gonna do a half crease because I don't really know how to cut a crease, but we're gonna try. So I am just gonna start from the inner corner and kind of go a little. Is that even cutting a crease? Like, what is that? Okay. Any hooser. So I'm gonna go in with this fucking brush. Sorry. I'm gonna go in with this little flat brush. This is a brush I actually use to conceal my eyebrows. I mean, you know what I mean, carve my eyebrows. But we are gonna go in with, Primavera. It's like let me swatch it because I'm such a beauty guru. I can swatch that one. These are swatches from like a Morphe thing. Don't mind that. Okay, guys. Look at that. Like, ooh, it bounces off. Oh my god. This is beautiful. I'm about to take my sister's palette. Okay, so we're just gonna go in and hopefully this look comes together. What you guys think? I personally need to blend out that line right there, dude. I don't lay it. So what I'm gonna do is take that really thin, precise brush, go in with raw sienna and a red ochre, and kind of make it look like it is blended. Is it blended? Is it blended, y'all? I don't know. I can't freaking... Can't really tell. Maybe if I look farther away with the mirror. I went over this part right here in the crease because the line the line looked kind of harsh, so I just want to make sure that it doesn't look too harsh. Okay, so let me go in and conceal that other side and put that shadow. Okay, guys, so now we're gonna go in with lashes, and I'm first gonna coat them with a little mascara. I'm gonna use the Benefit They're Real mascara, my favorite mascara ever. And we're just going with one coat because these lashes automatically blend in to your real lashes without even having to put mascara. But I just like to put mascara because I like my lashes to look really full. I already got mascara on my eyelid. Way to ruin a day, right? It's smudged. Oh, you know what? I don't even care right now. I'll just put that red ochre back on top. And I got some on my freaking bottom. Whatever. I don't even care right now. Okay. So, I'm going to be taking these lashes right here. Sorry, they're stuck together. Look like a big old spider. These lashes are really, like, natural looking. My best friend got me a pack of them. I think she got them from Amazon or Wish. I don't even remember. But we're going to put them on. We're not going to put eyeliner because we want this to be really sexy that you can wear for your mans or your boo on Valentine's Day. Or your side boo after you go mess with your first boo. Whatever you do, boo, you do you, okay? Can't nobody tell you not to do you. So, I'm gonna go apply them lashes and I'll be back. Okay, so guys, I put on my lashes. As you can see, they are like natural lashes. I love how they're more fuller on the outside. I did have to cut the insides a little bit because they were like super long and I don't like that. I like how they're like the wing. Okay, so for lipstick, I already actually bronzed my face too. For lipstick, I thought we would use like a nude or something, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna use my favorite lip routine that I've been doing. So you're gonna take your concealer, and I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one that does this. If I am, then I don't know what to tell you guys, but I'm looking for my beauty blender. Okay, so you're gonna take what's on here. You're not really gonna push. I mean, you can if you don't really have nothing on your like tip or nothing. Oh, that's like, why do I keep putting out concealer and then putting it like everywhere right here? Like, what am I doing? So with that being said, I'm gonna take this concealer I had on the side and I'm gonna just put a little bit like this and put it on my lip. And then I'm gonna take my beauty blender and blend it. You can take a little bit more if you want to look like Casper on your lips. It's still a little pink. I didn't really want it to pink right there on my bottom lip. Oh, okay. So with that, and I'm gonna take my MAC Subculture, yeah, concealer. I mean, sorry. This lip liner, and I'm gonna line my lips with this. It's like a really nice, like, light, I was gonna say orange, brown. You guys know what I mean. I'm really tongue twisted today. The thing I love about MAC lip liners is that you don't even have to put pressure, and it applies a really good color. Oh, I rarely line my lips, guys, because they're so small that I want to like overline them, but then I don't want to look like a freaking weirdo. So I only line it just a little bit. Then I'm gonna take my clear plumping lip gloss. It does not work. I got this off of Shop Miss A. I think it was like $1. It said that it was a plumper and it does not plump nothing but my nerves, okay? Because your girl's lips are small and I don't like it. I don't. But anyway, we're gonna apply clear lip gloss over this. The smell is awesome though. It smells like tropical fruits. Yes, girl, look at you. If you look exactly how I look, then you look like a bad bitch, okay? So let me show you guys up close what you guys did, okay? If you even followed along, because I'm pretty sure nobody's even gonna watch this. But okay, so let me like make myself look presentable. I just have like a black shirt on and okay guys, so if you stuck around to the end, then thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial I did for you guys just on this really like rainy day. So be sure to give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe if you want to join the diary gang, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.